I didn't clean up yesterday, I played until nightfall, hooray. But today the sun says hello, magical sparks started playing in my room. Jumped out of bed so fast, I found my socks, one blue, the other pink. Have you had breakfast? I checked it, now go take a look. My treasure chest is winking at me. Open wide, what's inside? Twinkling lights that dance and shine. Not a bug, not a toy, it's a magical spark of joy. The whistle, the colors start to shimmer, draw a rainbow in the sky. Balloons are floating, watch them go. I turn blue into pink with one swipe of my finger. Brush is spinning by itself. I'm putting my dreams on the shelves.